Hello, here in this video we are gonna talk about the app Incredible India that is developed by Ministry of Tourism. So I will tell you how to use the app. So firstly, we have to install the app from the Play Store, that is Incredible India. Now, as the app is installed, we will open this app. So here in this app, you can travel the whole country, India. Travel in the sense you will get information about every place, every state, every area of the country. So here we will open this app and let's find out what is it. Now we have to select the language first. Now here we come to the home page. We can see destinations, see Gangtok, then Mathura Vrindavan, Hampi. Now more suggestions like must visit destination, that you should visit these destinations like Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Pune. Then popular in India, the destinations that are very popular in India. Then celebrate with us. These contains the events and the festivals of India. So this is the home page. Besides home page, there is the option destinations. So these are the destinations in India and many more. So if we take one example, let's click on Mumbai, the city of dreams. So here you will have all the information about the city of the state, like major attractions, deep dive in Mumbai, how to get here by flights, buses or trains. Now also explore what that is related to Mumbai only. Now here you can have experiences like places that have best shopping places, like museums in India, luxury as per your interests. Now in About India, you will have the history of India. You will see the history of India, the states, union territories. If you click on facts about India, here they are. Then climate, Indian climate. Many people love to travel according to the climates, like in rainy, summer. So what are the best places for those climates are also here given. Now you can see at the top left corner 3 vertical lines. So here click on destinations. You will have spiritual destinations or heritage destinations. Any of these you can choose. Then experiences, then events. The events like this is June, so events in June. 3rd June was Kotiur Utsavam, then 12 June, 15 June, 18 June, like this. Then currency, about the Indian currency, and many more options you have in this. So basically with this app you can explore India very well and choose the places where you want to go with your family and travel to the major attractions of that places and without wasting any time. So this is how you can use this app. Thank you.